Today we are going to ride the Transfagarasan, which according to the guys of Top Gear is arguably one of the most beautiful rides in the world. So let's see. It isn't all that long. It's about 90 kilometers, 60 miles, but it's supposed to be very beautiful, although it can be rather crowded. It's a very touristy road. Here we go. There are quite a few tunnels. The longest one is about a kilometer. "59 kilometers to the lake. And as you can see, because we are quite early, there's not much traffic on the road. Yeah. Maybe, yeah. So we are going down the mountain. It's a nice track, this. We are really lucky with the weather. It's not that warm though. So, is the Transfagarasan the best road in the world? Well, it's one of the better roads, but in my opinion, it's not the best road. There are quite a few roads that are just as spectacular. Especially because the tarmac in a lot of the corners, as you can see here too, has a lot of ridges which make it not that easy to negotiate the corners. Anyway, it was a nice road. We had a fun day. Good morning, Internet. Today we are riding the Transalpina, the highest mountain road in Romania, in the Romanian Alps. It goes up way beyond 2,000 meters. And this road is much more quiet than the Transfagarasan. Today is another sunny day, but it's getting a little bit more clouded, and they expect heavy rain tomorrow. So we're glad we can ride it today. The Alpine Mountains. So we had lunch here. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. The weather is still reasonable. And this is a really nice road to ride. Actually, we like it better than the Transfagarasan so far. And there's way less traffic here. And mainly motorcycles. So that's very good. No campers. This is a really nice curvy road. These are the beautiful twisties. I think we're almost at the top now. That's probably the highest point. Motorcycle paradise. This is absolutely a stunning ride. So here's another set of twisties going down the mountain. Oh man, this is one great ride. Beautiful tarmac,